Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to go about enabling the pop-up view mode on your Galaxy A55 smartphone. This is a feature that's been around for quite a while and the A55 has it. So basically you'll be able to play your video and have it in a floating window mode like that and also operate in other apps while this is happening. This feature works for most apps on your Samsung phone, and it does work with YouTube, which is a great thing. So to get this to work that way, let's just say you have your YouTube app open already. And of course you want to have the app open already so that you can go ahead and watch the video that you want to be watching first. And when you are in the recents view mode like this here, you'll tap on the icon right here, the app icon. When you do this, you'll see open in pop-up view. This is the option that you're going to be using. As you tap on it, your app is going to appear like this here. Sometimes it will appear more bigger, like maybe like this here, and you can simply adjust the size of it by pulling on the corners here like that. And you can make it small like that, and you can pull here, hold this down and drag it around and operate into another app. So for example, you can make a call and have this video play in while you are in another app and watch the video, and also like text your friend or whatever it is that you want to do here, okay? And when you're ready to exit this thing out, you can tap here where that bar is. You'll get these options. Tapping on the two arrows inwards, there's a double arrow here that's pointing inward. That's going to make it turn into this little tiny floating app here, which you can just push to the side and come back to it later on and reopen it. Or you can simply expand it back or close it out if you want to. And that's that for this tutorial. Like and sub.